one land, multiple shades. Rann of Kutch has the superpower of shape-shifting. Yes, you heard that right. The Rann of Kutch was once a part of the Arabian Sea until an earthquake turned the exposed seabed into a sprawling desert. Today, it is a vast expanse of arid land stretching out to the Arabian Sea. The Rann of Kutch is the world's largest seasonal white salt desert, spread over 30,000 square kilometers, giving travelers an opportunity to witness a sensational salt marsh with a sparkling panorama of white sands across the horizon during the winter. Did you know the White Rann turns into a lake in monsoon as it stays hibernated under the rainwater? That's not all. As the summer approaches, the white salt marsh starts drying up. In the summer season, the White Rann becomes a vast expanse of hard, dried mud. The salt in the soil makes the low-lying marsh almost barren. Like the varied shades of the Rann, the weather conditions here is extremely contrasting too. Rann of Kutch experiences temperatures averaging and peaking at 49.5 degrees Celsius in summer. In winter, the temperatures reduce dramatically and go below 0 degrees Celsius. This ability of transitioning extremely from a vast, wide desert to a massive, muddy, barren land is truly magical. This intriguing land needs to be experienced to be understood.